Chery's off-road lifestyle brand is taking on the compact electric SUV market. Meet the 2026 Jaecoo J5 EV, via rugged, pet-friendly, feature-packed EV crossover built to compete head-to-head with the BYD Atto 3 and Hyundai Kona electric. Packing a 155 kilowatts electric motor, 402 kilometers of WLTP range, and a generous 200 millimeters ground clearance, the J5 proves that value-focused EVs can still tackle light off-road trails. Welcome back to DRX Automobi. Today, we are breaking down its performance specs, interior tech, and outdoor capabilities. Measuring 4,380 millimeters long with a 2,620 millimeters wheelbase, the J5 EV brings classic boxy SUV proportions to the electric segment. Up front, an active grille shutter optimizes aerodynamic efficiency, while 18-inch aerodynamic alloy wheels complete the stance. Jaecoo engineered the J5 for lifestyle adventures, equipping it with a 200 millimeters ground clearance and 450 millimeters water wading depth. Out back, you get 480 liters of cargo space, complemented by a 35-liter front frunk under the hood. Underneath, the J5 EV features a single front-mounted electric motor delivering 155 kilowatts, 208 horsepower, and 288 newton-meters of torque, launching from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 7.7 seconds. Energy is stored in a 58.9 kilowatt-hours LFP battery pack, providing a claimed 402 kilometers WLTP range. When it's time to top up, 130 kilowatts DC, fast charging takes the battery from 30% to 80% in just 28 minutes. Step inside, and the J5 EV blends high-tech minimalism with outdoor durability. The dashboard centers around a crisp 13.2-inch 2K touchscreen alongside a flush-mounted 8.9-inch driver display. You get a huge 1.45 square meters panoramic glass roof, ventilated synthetic leather front seats, 64-color ambient lighting, and 35 individual storage pockets designed specifically for family gear and pet accessories. Starting under $28,000 USD in global markets, the 2026 Jaecoo J5 EV combines real-world practicality, fast charging, and off-road style at a price point that's tough to beat. Would you choose this Jaecoo J5 over the BYD Atto 3 or Chery Omoda E5? Let us know in the comments below. Hit subscribe for DRX Automobi, and we'll see you in the next breakdown.